exquisite appearance of the 4th generation microinverter is derived from the ingenious inspiration of the design master. The streamlined appearance design is adopted. The body is made of aluminum alloy, widely used in aerospace and navigation. Ultra-thin, light will save transportation costs. High temperature, corrosion resistant. IP65 waterproof grade. Guaranteed service line. Connect solar panel DC low voltage safe input. Automatic overflow voltage protection device. The appearance, color and structure use the physics principle. Achieves the best fast heat dissipation effect. The maximum power point MPPT tracking makes our products the maximum power. The AC voltage input adopts the principle of automatic adaptation, which is suitable for universal voltage grid connection. The internal chip is improved with advanced German technology, and the structure of each component is ingeniously designed. The AC and DC of PCB board adopt isolation design, safe and reliable. Low voltage input and output, more safe and efficient flame retardant. Our products have almost zero power consumption at night, reverse current transmission, grid-connected voltage, and current data sensing technology. The inverter has island protection, overvoltage, undervoltage, overfrequency, underfrequency, over-temperature protection functions, and network fault detection and protection function. Power line communication, serial communication, Wi-Fi communication, and mobile phone app interface operation are simpler and intelligently monitored and managed. As long as there is a network, you can use your mobile phone to monitor the running state of the power station, the power station fault detection, troubleshooting, switching machine, and other functional system solutions. The principle of power transmission is clearly visible, and 5G of visual interface management will enter every city. The microgrid can open the power station at home as it wants, which can be disconnected from the power grid, and the household electricity load can freely control the power station, thus extending the service life of the power station. System operation status, Wi-Fi signal transmission in real time. The photovoltaic power generation system uses 5G communication mode to rapidly transmit to the mobile phone network. Easy installation. Each product is equipped with installation instructions, screws, cables, etc. without maintenance. Fixed directly on the solar panel bracket. Photovoltaic power stations of different sizes are stacked and installed. And the safety mission of parallel use is to avoid the influence of hotspots on the efficiency of power generation. Power inverters of various specifications, suitable for each kind of solar panel installation and use.